Deep within the freezing, desolate expanse of the Ural Mountains exists a place where the snow can never extinguish the roaring inferno of human engineering. Welcome to the Uralvagonzavod supercomplex, the largest and most secretive tank manufacturing plant on the planet. Here, they don't just build vehicles, they forge mechanical apex predators. Today, you are getting an unprecedented classified look inside the absolute core of the Russian military-industrial machine. We are going to witness the birth of a 46-ton steel monster. From liquid metal burning at 1600 degrees Celsius to a fully armed mobile fortress capable of altering the geopolitical landscape, this is the full creation process of the T-90M Proryv, the breakthrough. Every monster begins in the fire. We start in the cavernous foundry, where raw iron ore and highly classified composite alloys are subjected to brutal, unrelenting heat. A colossal steel ladle pours thousands of gallons of blindingly bright liquid alloy into a massive geometric sand mold. This isn't just standard steel. It's a proprietary metallurgical blend designed to shatter incoming kinetic penetrators. The glowing, red-hot monolithic structure is violently torn from its cast, then submerged into massive cooling pools. The extreme thermal shock hardens the molecular structure of the metal, creating an impenetrable base. Robotic grinders step in, aggressively shaving off the rough edges with a shower of sparks, revealing the imposing, multifaceted geometry of the new T-90M turret. While the turret cools, the chassis is born in a storm of electricity. Giant robotic arms execute perfectly synchronized, deep penetration arc welds, fusing thick armor plates into an indestructible lower hull. But a tank without a heart is merely a steel coffin. Therefore, the engineers bring in the beast's engine, the V92S2F, a massive, raw mechanical V12 diesel engine capable of churning out a devastating 1,130 horsepower. Suspended by heavy chains, this complex block of steel and grease is lowered into the rear compartment with millimeter precision. Engineers forcefully torque massive retaining bolts, locking the engine into the hull. Hydraulic lines and thick fuel hoses are snapped into place like steel arteries. Down the assembly line, automated hydraulic presses violently hammer heavy torsion bars into the hull, giving this 46-ton machine the ability to glide over trenches at 60 kilometers per hour. Brute force means nothing if you cannot hit your target. Overhead cranes deliver the devastating 2A46 M25 125mm smoothbore gun. It is heavily greased, sliding perfectly into the turret's mantlet before being locked down by brutal hydraulic torque. And while the gun is mechanical, the true lethality of the T-90M is entirely digital. Deep inside a sterile, high-tech electronics lab, specialists in anti-static suits assemble the tank's brain, the Kalina fire control system, and the Sosna U thermal imaging sight. These highly sensitive optical modules are carefully lowered into armored housings on the raw turret. Thick bundles of fiber optic cables connect the optics to the ballistic computer. A rugged tactical display violently flickers to life in the dark interior. Tracking crosshairs synchronize. The massive 6-meter gun barrel elevates and locks instantly. The brain is now wired to the brawn. The two halves of the monster are finally united. The fully armed turret descends, its heavy steel rings seating perfectly into the chassis with a sickening crush of industrial grease. But the modern battlefield is unforgiving, teeming with top attack drones and tandem charge missiles. Raw steel is no longer enough to survive. Therefore, the tank rolls into the automated paint booth, emerging with a cold, matte dark green camouflage. Now, it's time to arm the shield. Workers use heavy crowbars to pry open military crates, revealing the Relikt explosive reactive armor blocks. Engineers manually lift and lock these heavy green blocks onto the frontal wedge and sides of the turret, driving thick steel bolts to secure them. These are literal explosive scales designed to detonate outward, snapping the core of incoming missiles before they can penetrate the main armor. Finally, a heavy anti-UAV slat cage is welded over the roof. The T-90M Proryv is complete, an absolute masterpiece of mechanical supremacy. The factory doors pull apart. The freezing Russian winter floods in. Thick, black diesel smoke erupts from the exhaust as the V12 engine roars to life. The heavy steel tracks aggressively grind against the concrete, and the 46-ton Predator charges out into the blizzard. During the extreme stress test, the hull violently plunges into frozen trenches, the torsion bars absorbing the brutal impacts, flinging dark mud and snow into the air. Even while tearing across the uneven, frozen wasteland at top speed, the multifaceted turret rotates with terrifying smoothness. The 6-meter gun barrel remains completely stabilized, defying physics, locked dead onto a distant concrete bunker. Inside the cramped, dark cabin, the digital crosshairs turn solid red. Target locked, an explosive, blinding orange muzzle flash erupts. A visible shockwave violently blows away the snow. Downrange, the concrete bunker is instantly vaporized into a massive fireball, sending heavy chunks of debris raining down on the frozen earth. Unstoppable, unrelenting, the dark green T-90M Proryv drives aggressively straight through the thick black smoke of its own destruction, carving deep, permanent tracks into the snowy plains. This is the ultimate evolution of heavy military engineering. If you want to witness how the Americans build their M1 Abrams, or how the German Leopard 2 is forged from scratch, hit that subscribe button right now. The arms race never stops, and neither do we. See you on the next assembly line.